The Gem XL 1500 series comes equipped with flat table and sash frame. The 800 and 1200 models come equipped with a larger table and support braces in order to support the weight of both the sash frame and the material. In this video, we're going to show you how to install the flat table, sash frame, and on the 800 and 1200 series, how to install the support braces and how to level the tables. We'll begin by taking the center flat table and lining up the slit with the machine's rotary hook arm. We will be able to slide the table into place, and we'll follow it by screwing down the sides and adding the support braces for the 800 or 1200 models. Don't forget to level the table flush to your needle plate. If you have a 1200 series, 2 additional side tables are included with the machine. In order to install them, we'll begin by lining up each side to the center table and attaching with the included hardware. Each side table is equipped with 2 brackets, each bracket containing 1 screw, which we'll use to fasten the side table to the center table. Once you've fastened the side table using the hardware, you may lock it in place for safety using the latches attached to the center table. To do so, just pull back on the red lever until the latch locks into place. The support braces are adjustable. In order to adjust the height, simply twist counterclockwise or clockwise to lower or raise the height of the support brace. You can now install the sash frame onto the machine. Simply take your sash frame, slide it onto the machine, resting it on the top table, and insert the brackets and screws into the slots available on the arm. With a Phillips screwdriver, tighten the screws on both brackets. Your machine is now ready to sew with your flat table and sash frame.